Crap, we ran out of milk. Not a good day to be getting groceries, definitely. Looks like bananas is almost out. The one in the plastic bag is still there. Just get this one. But look at that, guys. Oh my god, this never happened. Oh my god, so many people.
My mom also, she cracked me up. Sausage, my mom.
So far, most breads, pasta sauces, tuna, quite a bunch of things are all gone. We still haven't checked the toilet paper and sanitizers, but presumably they're all gone. Crazy times. Yep, Hansel all gone. All gone. Oh well. Amalia, the queue is surprisingly not too bad there.
I mean, yeah, but you can see there are a lot of people.
Oh yeah.
And yeah, a lot of people with a lot of things.
Okay, all done? Oh my god, that was so insane just now. Tuna is gone, spaghetti is gone. What else is gone? Amalia, what else is gone?
Soap.
Yeah, soap is gone.
Gone.
And hand sanitizer is gone. Toilet paper is gone. Yeah,
yes,
no hope with
plastic bags, everything.
Plastic bags. Oh my god.
But yeah, I can only use certain type of soap because I have allergy, and those are all gone. I should have bought it a long time ago. But yeah, anyway.
Oh well. So that is the condition in London. So this is technically like a report, quite unlike my usual travel video. But yeah, next video we might be talking about how to survive when you're in quarantine. We were in self-quarantine for 2 weeks over here after we came back from Malaysia, so we know how to survive. And also some wild camping techniques is gonna help you. If you missed my wild camping video, remember to click here. You can know how to, like, you know, purify water. Essentially doomsday preppers. We are doomsday preppers, officially. So yeah, that's it from this really short video. I hope it's informative to show you that the panic has just started in London. It was still quite fine when we first arrived, right?
Yeah, but we can see a lot of people are already buying stuff. We should have gone early, probably, hopefully. Yeah, I don't know.
It's okay. We can survive. We can do this together, everyone. Just don't panic. Don't stock up on toilet paper like crazy because everybody needs it, guys. Just spread it around, you know.
I think as Asians, we are quite okay. We just need rice. And with rice, you can actually eat it with anything. Like you can just eat it. In a worst case scenario, you eat it with salt or soya sauce.
Soy sauce.
Soy sauce.
Okay, so yeah, on to the next video.